Welcome back, everybody, and today we are going over the Harbor Freight Dollar Days that's going on from July 30th to August 12th. Also in this video, I'm going to go over some of the new products at the end of it, but let's go ahead and get started with the Dollar Days. And starting off this Dollar Days, we got the HFT funnel set 4-piece for $1, 49% off. Good deal on those. Seems like they're always on Dollar Days though. So aren't the super glues. We got the HFT super glue 3-pack, $1, 49% off. Good deal on those though. Next up, we got a Pittsburgh micro spring clamp set, 6-pack for $1, 49% off. Now I'm going to give you guys a little tip on this, something I like using these for. You know when you eat a bag of chips and then you get done and you roll up the bag and you just throw it in the cabinet? Well, if you put these clamps on there after you fold it up, it helps keep the chips fresher. Just a little tip for you. So let's move on to the last thing in this row. We got the mini razor blade scraper, $1, 49% off. Starting off this row, we got the Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial plug, your choice of female or male, for $2, 33% off. Good deal on that. Next up here, we got the Vanguard 125 volt, 15 amp plug connector, your choice of female or male, $2 off at 49% off. That is a great deal on that. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh 10mm side terminal battery ratchet wrench, $2, 42% off. Now, one thing I like about this is more for people who aren't familiar with cars. You might not know what size the battery cables are. It's nice just to have this and grab it, and you ain't got to worry about it. And it works on most newer battery cables, so that's a great thing to have. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty high visibility socket adapter set, 4-piece for $3, 39% off. Great thing about this is it's high visibility and it's got a lifetime warranty. Most of the time these will work, but if you give it a little bit too much oomph and you end up snapping one, you can take it back for that lifetime warranty and get it exchanged. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior magnetic nut setter set, 9-piece, your choice of standard or metric, $3, 24% off. Good deal on that. Next up here, we have a Hallmaster 1-inch by 12-foot lashing straps, 2-pack, $3, 39% off. That's a great deal on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh fluid siphon pump for $3, 57% off. That's a great deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we got a Hallmaster 1/2-inch forge cargo D-ring anchor for $4, 19% off. Starting off this row, we got the 6-outlet power strip. This is going to be $4 at 19% off. Then we got a Greenwood trigger spray nozzle for $4, 33% off. Great deal on that. Next up here, we got a 13-foot by 16-foot drop cloth for $4, 19% off. And then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 12-inch steel adjustable wrench, $5, 49% off. Smoking deal on that one. I would definitely snag that up if you need some. Starting off this row with a couple of consumables. I always say, buy your consumables when they're on sale. We got the Warrior titanium hex shank drill bit set, 13-piece for $5, 28% off. Then we got the Bauer 6-inch hook and loop 6-hole pattern sanding disc with a zirconia grain 5-pack, $5, 28% off. And look at all these different grits that are available. Very nice. Then we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty adjustable pin spanner wrench, $5, 37% off. Now this is a great thing, like if you have grinders and stuff like that where you need to get the wheels off, and then you got a bunch of different spanner wrenches, you can buy this one universal one and it'll work on most of those. So this is something that's very handy to have. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 20-inch I-beam level, $6 at 24% off. Good deal on that. Starting off this row, we got some Grant's cotton terry cleaning towels, 14-inch by 16-inch 12-pack, $7, 22% off. Great deal on that one. Then we got the One Stop Gardens 40 lumen 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight, $7, 22% off. Next up here, we have 11-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp for $8 at 19% off. Then finishing off the sale, we got something from Pittsburgh again. We got the Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty 1/4-inch drive color-coded deep socket set, 10-piece, your choice of standard or metric for $9, 30% off. Great deal on that. Now let's check out the new items. All right, we got a few new items here since the last Dollar Day, so let's get checking these out. First off, we got a Bauer 20-volt 2.5-inch cordless compact bandsaw, tool only, $89.99. Now I have the corded version of this, and there's one thing I don't like about it, and I want to click on this real quick. Go into specifications and see if this is brushed or brushless. Let's get in here to specifications. And usually I think it's on the right hand side. And yes, there we go. Motor type, brushed. Now, Harbor Freight, I got a bone to pick with you. All these new electric tools need to be coming out brushless. Nobody wants anything brushed anymore. They're old, outdated, eat up battery. We want brushless. We want the more power and the better battery life of a brushless system. Kind of disappointed in that, but let's move on. Next up here, we have the Vanguard 25 foot by 8/3 gauge NEMA 6-50 40 amp extension cord for $69.99. Then we got a Doyle dual laser infrared thermometer for $59.99. And finishing off this roll, we got a Doyle fiberglass fish tape. This is a 50-footer. This one is going to be $24.99. Next up here, we have an 11-watt LED full spectrum clamping glow light for $14.99. Then we got something new from Hercules. We got a 3-inch by 1/4-inch nylon wire cup brush and wheel set, 80 grit 2-piece for $8.99. And then we got some new stuff here from Yukon. These are probably a new color if I remember right with the gray. We got the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with the wood top. This one's going to be $359.99. Next up, we got the Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench with a solid wood top. This one's going to be $329.99. Starting off this row, we got the 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet for $329.99. And then finishing off this section, we got the Bauer 20-volt. Here we go, Harbor Freight. This is what we want. Brushless, cordless pruner, tool only for $64.99. And there you go. There's a Harbor Freight dollar days from July 30th to August 12th. Couple of things I would pick up during the dollar days. I'm pointing at them right now. You're looking at the socket adapter set and the 1/4-inch deep socket set. Great deals on those. Also, I would like to know down in the comments down below, is there anything you're going to pick up out of this sale? Anything you're disappointed in? Now with the new tools, there is something I'm disappointed in. I'm disappointed that that bandsaw has a brush motor. Everybody wants brushless stuff now, so why would you come out with something new that is brushed? That just blows my mind. But if there's any other new tools that are on here and you want to pick them up, leave a comment down below. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It helps grow the channel, and I can't grow this channel without you. Also, don't forget, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.